Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you quick and easy ways to copy a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to make an exact copy of Sheet 2 over here in a new tab. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the first way to copy a worksheet is to select the tab that you would like to copy, hold down Control, click with your left mouse button on the sheet you wish to copy, and just drag to the end as you see this arrow that's moving. See how that arrow is moving? You could insert it right behind the sheet you're trying to copy or in between two other sheets, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to put it right here at the end and then let go of everything. And now I have a copy of that sheet with a 2 after it. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. A second way I could copy a worksheet is to go up to the Home ribbon, go over here to the Cells group, and this is under Format. I know it doesn't quite seem like a formatting task, but there is an option under here that says Move or Copy Sheet. So I'm going to select that. And I can move or copy any worksheet here to this open workbook that I have, or if I had any other open workbooks, they would be available in this drop-down list. So I don't just need to copy this worksheet to this workbook. I could copy it to any open workbook that I have. But if I want to copy Sheet 2, which is the one we just were working with, I can select it here, and I'm going to check this box for Create a Copy. Because if I don't do that, I'm just going to move the order of the sheet. So I've selected my sheet, I've selected Create a Copy, and I'm going to click OK. And now I can see that Sheet 2 appears down here with a little 2 after it, and my regular Sheet 2 is right here. We go over a few other ways to do this out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.